Sometimes on X, if someone from your contacts joins, you'll get a notification. If you don't want this feature, you can disable it. In this video, we'll show you how to do that. First, open the X application. At the top, you'll see your profile photo. Tap on it. You'll see Settings and Support. Click on that, then select Settings and Privacy. From there, you'll find Notifications. Tap on Notifications. You'll see an option for Preferences. Click it. Then, select Push Notifications. You'll find a Followers and Contacts section, and under it, an option called Contact Joins X. It might be turned on by default. That's why you're getting notifications when a contact joins X. If you don't want them, just toggle this option off and go back. Check again, and you'll see it's turned off. Now, you won't receive notifications when contacts join X. That's how you can easily disable this setting. Hope this video was helpful. If you found it useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.